this is your sign. We have an unboxing to do. So we invested something newly into our content creation and I thought to share with you guys. Hold on, let me show you. This is an influencer light. Many of you will be familiar with this. And let me tell you something. I have an LED light. That's the source of this light now. But my problem with it is that the extra battery that comes with it doesn't last. And if you're going out, it is not that easy to carry around. So I was looking for something. Maybe if I go on a date night with my husband or I'm outside late while walking, if I have a reason to film, at least my video should be a bit bright, right? Because the brighter your video, the better your content, right? So we decided to invest on this light. If you have a tripod stand, I'll advise you to get this. Anyways, let's open it and see how far. This is the influencer light, you guys. This light is very popular and it is durable. Actually, this is not my first time opening it, but I've not used the clip inside. It comes with a phone clip that you can use and clip on your phone. It comes with a cord that you can use and insert on your charger head to charge it. You can either keep it vertical or horizontal depending on your choice. It's like a clip you clip on your phone, and just like that, your light source is ready. You guys, this is very durable. Let's use it as a filler light. Can you see this part of me that was not clear? I can actually look for a tripod and use it as my filler light for this other side because my LED light is here. This is so nice. So for those of you that are into talking content or talking videos, this is nice for you to get. If you have a tripod stand already that you can use and hold your phone, this is very nice instead of a ring light. You understand? This one is durable and is rechargeable and it lasts better than this. You guys, have used it to film, but I just said, okay, let me come and share. For those of you that might be looking for light option, this is a good way to start as a content creator. I got this one for 18,000 naira. They said it's supposed to be 20, but then it's enough. I beg the man come out 2k. I don't know, you might get it cheaper elsewhere, but they say this is the original and all of that. This is your sign to invest in your content. Content creation pays, directly or indirectly pays. If you can, invest. If you cannot, let it be. If you can't for the moment due to financial reasoning, or calm down. Keep working with the ones you have. There was a time I couldn't afford this. No matter how much I wanted it, there was a time I couldn't. But today I was able to invest in it. This is an investment. It's not a show off. It's an investment, and I'm hoping with more content that I create, I'll recover the money. This is your call. Start wherever you can. I get a lot of people telling me, oh, my phone is broken. Oh, I don't have lights. I told them, okay, if you don't have lights, lifestyle video might be difficult for you, except you're cooking outside or you're washing outside or you're doing your things outside during the day. That's when you can use daylight, which is the best kind of light, by the way. Or if it is at night, you need a light source that will brighten your video. That way people would want to watch your video. But then if you can, invest in a light source, no matter how small. The first thing I got was a ring light. From ring light, I was able to get a LED light. From LED light, now this one I got it because it is very durable. You can take it around, you can go anywhere with it. Now if I go out, I don't have to worry, oh, my video will be too dark. No, this will brighten it up, at least to an extent. Okay, let me switch this one off. Let's see the power of this one. Is that okay? Okay, this is what it looks like without my LED in my room. But with this one, this is what it looks like. Can you see that this one serves as well? So I don't know, advise yourself. No be me tell you, but I'm just giving you options. For a start, you can actually invest in this light. So by the way, I have a good news that I'll be sharing with you guys on my next video concerning one of my students.